So today I want to teach you some of the basic things you need to know while uploading a video on your YouTube channel. As a small beginner channel, we usually don't have any knowledge of how we should upload the videos the right way. So here I am uploading a video and I want to take you through the process of how I do mine. If you're ready in your YouTube channel, first of all you need to click create so that you can be able to see this page that I have currently. You click on create and then it will generate for you this page where you can be able to upload your file that you have in your computer. So here is my file, that is a video, and you can see the title rating. I use vidIQ so that I can really see how my channel or the video that I'm uploading is going to perform, or it's going to rate against others. So in the description you put a description for your video, what people have to expect in this video. I like you using vidIQ because it tells you exactly how this video is going to perform, or the rating actually. It may not really perform the way it has been rated, but it gives you a good clue of what you are doing right or wrong. That's why I like using it. So every time I am uploading a video, it generates for me some of the alternatives that I might not know. So after putting my title, after description, it brings you to upload the file. This is the thumbnail. However, for this video, I have not created the thumbnail, so that is where you can be able to create a thumbnail or upload it. Then here you can select the playlist you want. For me, I only have one playlist, but I just want this video to be outside. Then this is an important part. You need to rate your video. If it is for kids, you say it is for kids. If it is for adults, you say no, it's not meant for kids. And then you have to say down here that do not restrict my videos for viewers over 18. Otherwise, if you do that, it will restrict your videos. Your videos will be flagged rated 18. And also, if you put yes, it is made for kids, you might not also earn ads revenue on your video. So here you have to make sure that you always give your video a good rating. It should not be restricted to viewers above 18, and it should not also be restricted to viewers below 18. Then here in the search, I decided to put something small from the video itself, so you can see my title, my description, and then if the video is made for kids or not, I've put it there. Then I've put something in the search. When we get back to the details, there's this part where you are supposed to put your tags. You have to add tags here. So these tags will also help your video to be discovered on YouTube by others. So YouTube uses these tags to send your videos to the viewers that you are targeting. So there's a way you can also copy your title, then you open another channel, not really channel, you open another YouTube page, and then you paste the title there so that you can see what others have said about this same title. And if you see here, this one year, it has 27,000 views. So I want to use their tags. So you just click on it and then you scroll. a bit to see the video tags. So you can see the video tags this channel has used. So you can basically just copy these video tags. You copy, then you take to your channel, and you go to where they put tags. And then there's this part where you're supposed to disclose whether your content has some altered things inside, such as AI creations. So you can paste the tag here. Those tags you copied from the other YouTube channel, but here the words have gone beyond limit. We have 500 words limit, so we need to delete some. And if you can see in the actionable sales score, we are already at 28 against 50%. That's where you need vidIQs. It will always show for you your ratings. So I am going to add another tag here. At least we need to be above 30. So if I add tag here, it has jumped to 31.2. So sometimes these tags may also reduce your ratings or improve it. Can also improve it. Now, if you don't have vidIQ, you may not see these things. For example, this one has reduced. I have to delete it, so that basically I think I'll leave it at that. And then there's this part where you are supposed to indicate the category. So mine is education because I'm teaching you something you might not know, and the type is tips. Here I'm giving you tips of how to upload videos on YouTube the right way. So here you can actually describe what you are teaching, the problem that you are solving. However, I'll leave this space blank. I'll leave it blank, and so here we can click next. We go to text, and here we can add an end screen. This will show you, for example, I like 2 videos. These videos will show on your video while it's almost ending. So there's also add card. You can add video, playlist, or channel. Here I like to add always the latest video that I uploaded. This will also show on the right top of your video. So here there's no copyright issue, so we can go to visibility, where you need to publish your video. So you need to put it public. Otherwise, if you don't put it public, your video will not be shown to other people. So you can schedule. I want to schedule my video for the next day. It is showing here 10th, and then I want it to play at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So here the video, and then I set it as a premiere. Then it's already public, and it's set as a premiere. It will premiere tomorrow in the morning, so I can just schedule. Once the scheduling is done, here you can just close. And basically that is how I upload my videos on YouTube. And if there is any other way that you think we should have done this, you can also put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.